Roll that dope up. There should be a Dutch over there. Started from the block, now I'm here. Started from the block, now my whole fucking team here. Started from the block, now I'm here. Started from the block, now my whole fucking team here. Every day is just me, grinding hard so I can eat. But everybody wanna take your closest friends is turning fake. Some bitch that you rapped with said your son is turning 8. Goddamn, this the life I chose. I count, God did just count by the O, so you know I swag it left from the head down to the toe. All these bitches going head, then I tell her she could go. I got a motherfucking son on my revolver, make you melt. I'll leave him stinking when I belch, that's on the roast. Rest in peace, Nep, I see you when I gotta go. That's on the vine, I'm so divine. I take your bitch and make her mine. Y'all niggas dead broke, like getting money is a fucking crime. Boy, you a fool. I put my heart into this rapping, trapping, anything I gotta do. Boy, I fucking go to school. Bitch, I ride up in a coach and tell the bitch to give me it. It's intellect all in the bed. Got y'all niggas scared, cause the niggas said full. And I said, oh yeah, well my money seen them here, yeah. In the field with these drug dealers, come make a movie with these motherfucking real niggas. And if a nigga say he got your back, you know not to believe in that. I got no shots on deck, like a hustler selling crack. Bitch, I'm all up in your heart, in your pores I make it sweat. I'm a motherfucking threat, I'm a butcher up top, earth them. And all this green you see is cause I fucking splurged. Started from the block, now I'm here. Started from the block, now my whole fucking team here. Started from the block, now I'm here. Started from the block, now my whole fucking team here. Everybody got dreams, some niggas never chase it. Everybody want money, some niggas never make it. And best believe I'm 100 proof, talking about that Everclear. 40s on deck, make your head see your fucking rare. I'm trying to change the world, but every girl I'm with drop their drawers, then try to be my girl. And I ain't saying it's a problem, but communication lacking. And she staring at the pace that I keep my money stacking. Nah, I don't love you, boo, sex and all I'm into. Don't write, stay the night, dope boys, kryptonite, the one that give a fuck less, seem to put up less to fight. I'm standing firm ground, like I know I'm motherfucking right. From the block, started from the block. From the block, started from the block. I got crack in my crack. 40's what I'm packing, revolvers in the crib with the money in the mattress. Changed on you last fall, tripping you a broke boy. Run up on me wrong, I'll take your chin off your fucking jaw. Bing, bing. Take your chin off your fucking jaw. Bing. I take your chin off your fucking jaw. Bing, bing. I take your chin off your fucking jaw. Run up on me wrong, I'll take your chin off your fucking jaw.